Before we get into actually doing something with this project, we'll just show you how to delete some of the models, or to delete all the models. To do this, we go to Models, Delete, and we can either delete a single model, we can delete all the empty models, or we can delete all the models. So in this instance we will delete all the models. We simply click on Delete All Models and select Delete. 12D will then tell us how many models we're going to delete and whether or not you actually do or do not want to do this. So we'll click on Yes. All our models are gone. You can see we've got none to add and none to remove. These models are contained in a trash model, however, or a trash bin, and we can restore them if necessary. So to restore these models, or to permanently delete them, we go down to the little trash bin icon down the bottom here and double click on that. This will open our trash bin, and we can select the models that we wish to restore. We can either left click and then right click and select toggle, and that will highlight all of them, or we could individually pick which ones we wanted to turn on and off. Now if we wanted to restore them, obviously we'd click on Restore. In this instance we'll click on Delete because we'll read the data in using a different method. Click on Delete and we'll be given yet another warning to say that this will permanently delete whatever we've selected. Are we sure we want to do this? And we can select Yes and then Finish. We now have an empty trash bin. You can see we no longer have the trash bin icon down the bottom here, and we have no data left in our project. So we're now going to read in some data, and this time we'll read in a preferred method of transferring data between 12D users, and that is to read in a 12D ASCII file. So we go to File IO, Data Input, 12DA, 4DA. For the moment we'll keep it simple. Just click on the file to read, click on the More Information icon. Once again we go to Browse and go up one level to find our data. And we're going to read in detailsurvey.12da. Click on Open. We don't need a map file in this instance because our 12D ASCII file has already defined the models, the colors, the line styles, etc. So there's no need for a map file unless we were going to map it to a different line styles and colors and models, etc. We can simply click on Read, and you'll see that once again 12D opens a new view and turns all the data we've just read on in. So we can click on Finish on that, and we probably don't want to work in Plan View 2, so we can close that one down, say yes, open up Plan View number 1 and turn on all our data, and then just do a zoom all to position it correctly.